Alright, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. We are just taking a quick look at Polygon here, and as we can see, looking like now that we have cleared this area of resistance that I did talk about, that previous support back here, this is a very key level for Polygon, isn't it? And you can see we have essentially fully cleared this over the past few days now, come down for a little bit of a back test of that previous wick here, and currently looking like we are just chopping sideways, a little bit of consolidation here maybe before continuation to the upside. At the moment we are seeing a lot of altcoins starting to move to the upside off the back of Bitcoin, essentially looking fairly bullish, to be honest. If I just take a quick look at the Bitcoin chart that I have actually marked up, if I can actually type BTC USD, there we go. And you can see on the chart here with Bitcoin looking like, obviously we've got that big breakout back test of that potential bear market resistance here, which is extremely bullish and a very strong sign of maybe some upwards momentum for Bitcoin. But you can see here looking like it potentially is coiling up underneath that previous range high resistance here. You can see obviously we had a bit of a resistance under that 0.23 Fibonacci as well, about, you know, almost halfway down that overall range. But you could say, you know, you've got your resistance, your support, support, resistance, support, and then obviously we lost support, came down with that overextension to the downside. A bit of a coiling pattern really for Bitcoin. But you can see obviously going into the new year exactly what's happened. We've made higher high, higher low, and now looking like we are making a higher high. Obviously we do have these bearish divergences for Bitcoin as well. But the reason that this is so important is because you can see very clearly with Polygon, it is pretty much following Bitcoin just like most cryptos are at the minute. And really now that we've broken above this 618 level fully, because last time we got rejected here, you can see, and it got a little bit of a rejection retracement and a big breakout here for Polygon. We're mostly just trading the Fibonacci on basically every single altcoin now that we are basically looking like we're having a bit of bullish momentum in the market over the past few weeks or so. So really I'm just waiting for these Fibonacci levels to be hit. I'm just chilling and waiting for my moment. No need to rush, and basically just waiting to see what happens here. Obviously not really any bearish divergences for Polygon, so it could easily run up to this 0.78 level in my opinion. And you can see on the chart, I'm waiting for either of these two scenarios. If we hit the 0.78 or come back down to the 618, I've got a long position down at the 618 here, back test this previous resistance. You can see resistance here on the chart, on the candles as well, back test, and then get a bounce like this. I would be looking to long, and then once we head up to that 0.78, probably be looking to put a short position in here as well, because you can see how well these Fibonacci levels have been respected for Polygon in the past. So overall you can see what we're talking about here. Keeping things short and sweet for these daily videos, guys. Thank you very much for watching as always. But you can basically see we are right now in a very nice little uptrend for Polygon, and basically I think we'll probably be heading up to that 0.78 fairly soon, judging by, you know, how well we are just kind of moving up like this, aren't we? You can see move, consolidate, move, another consolidation here. I mean, we could easily see that 0.78 up at around, what is that, $1.83, getting hit fairly soon. So that would be a nice little gain even from the current price, wouldn't it? But obviously just being aware, the market in very many areas, including Bitcoin, there's some bearish divergences right now, and quite a lot of altcoins also showing this. So we could easily see a retracement soon as well. If we do, I do think a retracement down to that 618 would be the area that we'd be looking at. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching indeed. As always, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.